Kimchi is a Korean fermented cabbage. As a kid, I hated it because it does have quite a strong smell. But as an adult, I absolutely love it. It's something I have in my fridge to make really fast, nutritious salads, just like this kimchi and brown rice salad. Now, brown rice is one of those rices I always have in my pantry. You can see it still has its nutritious bran still attached to the grain, and that's where it gets its nutty flavor. Because it does have that outer layer on it, it does take a little longer to cook, and it also needs some more water. So we'll measure out 1 cup of brown rice, and I'll add that to a small pot, along with 2 cups of water. So the ratio is 1 to 2 in with the water, just cold water. And then to season this, instead of just adding salt, I'm going to use some soy sauce as the seasoning. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And I love the flavour of garlic in this. So 2 cloves of garlic that I've finely chopped. Now I'll turn the heat on, high heat. We want to bring this up to the boil. Then we're going to turn it down to a simmer, and it's going to cook for 25 minutes with the lid on. So that's the absorption method. Once that's cooked, we will cool it down to room temperature. Now for a dressing to go into this delicious salad, in a large bowl, I'll add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, roughly. Fabulous. Along with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, roughly measured. We need some vinegar, so rice wine vinegar, a splash of that into the bowl, and some ginger. This ginger has some kick to it, so I only need about a teaspoon of that I'm finely mincing straight into the bowl. I love all these flavours for dressings. It's obviously an Asian-inspired dressing, and it's fantastic if you make a big batch of this. You can put it into a jar, into the fridge, and use if you want to make a quick salad in the middle of the week. Fabulous. Now I'll just give that a stir, and I do want to taste it just to ensure that everything is balanced. Ooh, it's good. It's got to have a kick to it, because by the time we add all of that rice, we do need to still taste that, and we do have a whole cup of rice there that is going to double in size. Okay, while we're waiting for the rice to cook, I'm just going to get on to chopping some vegetables for this salad, a combination of radish, some cucumber, and some carrot. Now the brown rice is cooked, and I've allowed it to cool down to room temperature. And now I'm going to fry an egg. This is going to go on top of the salad, a really nice addition. I've been heating a small pan here. I'll add some extra virgin olive oil, just a splash. And we'll add the egg. Now this is not going to take too long to cook. With my fried egg though, I like to cook it for a minute without the lid and then pop a lid on top just so we get that nice even cook, particularly for the whites. While that's cooking, let's assemble the salad. So into our dressing over here, I'll add our rice. And we'll just gently scrape that to just loosen up the grains, and we'll pop that in there. You can see that it's a deeper colour now too, because we added that soy to season it. Perfect. And now for our pretty vegetables, some julienne of carrot, along with some cucumber. And before I continue, let's pop the lid on this egg. Finally, the radish and our kimchi. I've just chopped up the kimchi. And now just with 2 spoons, we'll mix all of this together, coat everything in the dressing. This looks like a very happy salad with all these colours. You know that this is going to be good for you. Okay, to plate up, I'll put a generous helping into a bowl. Lots of that rice and the veggies. And now for our little egg, we'll take the lid off. Oh, that is perfectly cooked. And we'll pop that on the top to crown our brown rice salad. And a few extra additions for the egg, some sesame oil, a splash on the yolk, some sesame seeds, And finally, some salt, just a small amount of salt on that yolk because we do need to season that. What a great salad. I always love to just break into that yolk just before serving it. So some of that yolk just breaks into that rice. Yum-o. Rice, so versatile, perfect salad using kimchi.